Sapo kanya tayo, manipod ti sweet blend band, at da kami nga po nga may mangtad ti liwliwa, ti pamilya ti Gray. And of course, we are the sweet blend band, Mr. Narvi Dasalia, and Mr. and Mrs. Torda Duo po. Naglabas kaanitong anapuan ragsak as manla awan ni duwe ama magsina kadata ta iti may sanga aldaw tungtengken ka ni sakit linabanam ni patay ayat mo adi kumadayo demanian nga ulpit ni gasa awan kan dito'y denan numat matak taladawan kas manla idi kalma nga adakat sibay ko napuan lagi ke karayo ngamanian maulpit ni gasa kapilit na inya dayunakan aniya pa'y servitu'y yan no awan kan dito'y denan itanta awan kato'y denan kailiw kut barat araku mo sa dinuman ti ayan mo biag kupas pati kukin ka ngamanian maulpit ni gasa kapilit na inya dayunakan aniya pa'y servitu'y biyan no awan ka dito'y denan no awan kan dito'y denan Sumabaling yung apo tag-request, baring among ito. Lord, I'll come to you. let my heart be changed, brand new, flowing from the grace that I found in you. Lord, I've come to know the weaknesses I see in me will be stripped away, but the power of your love, hold me close, let your love surround me, bring me near, draw me to your side, and as I wait, I rise up like the eagle, and I will soar with you. Your spirit leads me on by the power of your love. Umayakin ka, balbaliwam to puso, iti parabor mo, ana sa lakan. Amin ka niya, at pinakabuidan, tuy biyang indang mapunas. Di tabilet ti ayan mo, Elena, iabrazang gaita, ayan, ala, Elena, di tasibay mo. Irang tayo na akas may sangalan, gila keto mayabak to mabalente spirito, kita bilati ayan mo, and I will soar with you. Your spirit leads me on by the power of your love.
We once again condolences si Bubukel nga pamilya Gray.
Life is there at all that but my friend. If you believe in yourself, if if you believe there's someone who wants to life with you, you'll never be alone. Just learn to reach out and open your heart. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll make you feel alright. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads. For that yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. When you feel the world is tumbling down on you, and you have no one that you can hold on to, just face the rising sun, and you'll see hope, and there's no need to run. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll show you the way. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads. For that yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. Come to me, and I will give you rest. Okay, para kada kitimayat po nga request, libre lang nga po. Pag-isurat nyo lang nga po iti nalinis nga papel. Thank you so much po. Hiram sa Diyos ang aking buhay. Ikaw at ako, tanging handog lamang. Hindi ko ninais na ako'y isilang. Ngunit salamat dahil may buhay. Ligaya ko na ako'y isilang, pagkat tao ay may roong dangal. Sinong may pag-ibig, sino nagmamahal, kung di ang tao. Diyos ang pinagmulan, kung di ako umibig, kung di ko man bigyan halaga ang buhay kong handog, ang buhay kong hirang sa Diyos, kung di ako nagmamahal, sino ako? Ligaya ko na ako'y isilang, pagkat tao ay may roong dangal. Sinong may pag-ibig, sinong nagmamahal, kung di ang tao. Diyos ang pinagmulan, kung di ako umibig, kung di ko man bigyan halaga ang buhay kong handog, ang buhay kong hirang sa Diyos, kung di ako nagmamahal, sino ako? Kung di ako nagmamahal, sino ako? Okay, wag kami karta mo may isang guest singer.
My deepest sympathy to the Gray family, condolence, ma'am, my friend. what it means to be lost in the dark. I know what it means to be told in the storm. I have walked alone with a heart of stone and despair to help me for but you caught my heart, and you caught my heart to forget the doesn't feel and know that I know that joy of your love, my heart is high, I can face the sky. I know that heaven is for you. I for you, I will live. I know. I have walked alone with a heart of stone and despair to help me for tears. But you caught my heart, and you taught my heart to forget the doubts and fears. That I know the joy of your love. Well, my head is high, I can face the sky. I know that you have been I know for you I could die for you. I will live. I know. Condolence po to the Gray family.
And sa ibagayo apoan, dati request yo po. No, mabalik kami apo kanda ti makapasala. No, ko apo. Po. Unchained Melody, sige po. Sige po, ta sa kamento ka nagkanta po ti makapasala. Kat agapansan apo dagiti matatay. Sige po. Okay, it's another requested song, Unchained Melody. go for your touch alone. Lonely time. And time goes by so slowly. And time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need your love, and I need your love. Godspeed your love to me. Lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Lonely riverside, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for me. Oh, my love, my darling, I'm hungered for your touch alone. Lonely time. And time goes by so slowly. And time can do so much. Are you still Godspeed your love to me. Yan, sa data po jadi kasyo nga Unchained Melody. Yan, sumipay kami apot ni makapasala.
Parang kadagit yung makatugtog.
Hey girl, what you doing down there? Dancing alone every night while it's right above you. I can hear music playing, I can feel your body swaying. one floor below me. You don't even know me, I love you. Oh my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Yeah, twice on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh my sweetness, means you meet me in the hallway. Yeah, twice on the pipe means you ain't kinda sure. If you look at your real good tonight, pull on the string with an old touch to my heart. With how many times I saw you, how in my silence you told you. Only in my dreams did that one between us come apart. Oh my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Yeah, twice on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh my sweetness, means you meet me in the hallway. Yeah, twice on the pipe means you ain't got us sure. I can hear music playing, I can feel your body swaying. One floor below me, you don't even know me, I love you. Oh my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Yeah, twice on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh my sweetness, means you meet me in the hallway. Yeah, twice on the pipe means you ain't got us yours.
The stars won't come out if you know that you're about, 'cause they couldn't match the glow of your eyes. And who am I? Doesn't ordinary guy trying hard to win me first prize. Oh my candida, we can make it together. The farther from here, girl, the better. We're the earth, especially. Oh my candida, stick my hand and I will reach out. I promise that life will be sweeter. Once it's said, so in my dreams. Future looks bright, our gypsy told me so last night. Said you saw our children playing in the sunshine. And there were you and I, in a house, baby, no lie. And all the things were yours and they were mine. Oh my candida, we can make it together. The farther from here, girl, the better. We're the earth, especially. Oh my candida, stick by my hand.
here tonight. By the rivers of Babylon, while we sat down, yeah, we wept when they remember Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, yeah, when I remember Zion.
I got something to tell you. I got news for you. Gonna put some wheels in motion. Get ready, cause we're coming through.
Hey now, you want to say now?
Happiness just around the corner.
Hey now,
you want to say that we'll be there for you. The thing that bus is coming and everybody's dancing. New York to San Francisco and then the city is low. The wheels still are turning, the traffic is a burning. So if you like to party, get on and move your body.
we like to party. We like to party. We like to party. We like to party. I have prepared no bed and no day to sleep on me. We come from miles around to hear them play a melody. Minute and starts my 10 guitars will play a song for you. And if you're with someone you love, this is what you do. Oh, dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitar. And very soon you'll know just where you are. To the eyes of love you'll see with thousand stars. When you dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitar. Guitars are made for love, my fan of pen, and always say to give him all the pretty girl, and they would start to play. Minute and starts my 10 guitars will play this song for you. And if you're with the one you love, this is what you do. Oh, dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitar. And very soon you'll know just where you are. To the eyes of love you'll see a thousand stars. When you dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars. Dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars.
Bésame mucho, como si fuera esta noche la última vez. Bésame, bésame mucho, que tengo miedo perderte después. Bésame, bésame mucho, como si fuera esa noche la última vez. cierto junto a mí. Piensa que tal vez mañana yo ya estaré lejos, melodios de ti. Siempre que pregunto que cuando, cómo o cuándo, tú siempre me respondes quizás, quizás, quizás. Y así pasan días y yo desesperando, y tú contestando quizás, quizás, quizás. Estás perdiendo el tiempo pensando, pensando, por lo como te quieras, hasta cuándo, hasta cuándo. Y así van los días, y yo desesperando, y tú contestando quizás, quizás, quizás. Quizás, 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 quizás.
Okay, mami sampai apa yung kaswiti na ipapusuan nga panigipagladingit mi iti Gray family. Manibuta pa iti grupo mi iti Mr. and Mrs. Parda to Sweetland Band.
Well, here we are again. I guess it must be fair. We tried it on our own, but deep inside we know we'd be back to set things straight.
And I still remember when your kiss was so bright, every memory repeats, every step I take retreat,
Every journey always brings me back to you. After all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the floor. And after all that we've been through,
what comes down to me and you.
I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me, after all.
When love is truly right,
This time is truly right.
it lives from year to year.
It changes as it goes,
Oh, we know the way it goes,
but it never disappears. After all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the floor. And after all that we've been through,
what comes down to me and you.
I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me, after all. Always just beyond my touch.
Though I need
rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through,
all comes down to me and you.
I guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me. After all the stars and stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts. Two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through,
All comes down to me and you.
I guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me. After all.
And it's another Ilocano song. Saan kumaasya ipabasulit, lumarak-rak na ayakin langin-langin. Nasikat na luwag, anang baybayan, sanak laam mo no agtuog ka. Umanay kanta, makita na iti maminsan. Umanay ken katawag ken pa kumusta. Uray no na sakit, pilit nga awate. No panunutek asikat ay ayate. Di ko mura jaking pakat. Imbes na'y ay winag saan na idadanes na. Basta ka dit na puno na agayan. Kumaasya ipabasulit, lumarak-rak na ayakin langin-langin. Nasikat na lawag, anang baybayan, sanak laam mo no agutang ka. Punpunuak ng kurkurangam kaniyak, tinempelag di gumura, jak impagat. Imbes nga'y ay winag saan ta indadanes na. Basta ka dit na puno na agayan. Punpunuak ng kurkurangan pelakti gumura jak inpakat imbes ngay ay wendak saan ta indadanes na kasta kadit na pudno nga agayan kasta kadit na pudno nga agayan kasta kadit na pudno nga agayan.
Okay, sagutan na kayo manabot the oldies but goodies song para kada kita mahilig the old songs.
Thank you, Ma'am Novi. Yan, sumaypay kami apo kada iti kadaanan nga kang kanta. Mag-request kayo lang ako nung yan ti kaya chupotap no maikanta.
I-request mo, sir.
Take the ribbon from your head, shake it loose and let it fall. Lands upon my skin like the shadows on the wall. Come lay down by my side.
Nag-imasal.
Till the early morning light. All I'm taking is your time. So help me make it through the night. I don't care what's right or wrong. I don't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. Lord, tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone.
Nagsarapon, George.
Till tomorrow's out on the side. And it's sad to be alone. So help me make it to tonight. To all the girls I've loved before, but trouble leaning out my door. I'm glad you came along. Sorry, talong. To all the girls I've loved before, to all the girls I once caressed. And may I say I've been the best for helping me to go. I owe a lot, I know, to all the girls I've loved before. The winds of change are always blowing, and every time I try to stay, the winds of change continue blowing, and they just carry me away. So all the girls I've loved before were traveling in out my door. I'm glad you came along. Sorry, put long. To all the girls I've loved before, to all the girls who share my life. Well, now I'm someone else's wife. I'm glad you came along. I dedicate dedicate this song to all the girls I've loved before. The winds of change are always blowing, and every time I try to say, the winds of change continue blowing, and they just carry me away. Oh, another oldies but goodies song. The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train, and there to meet me is my mama and papa. Down the road I look, and there runs Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. She's here to touch the green grass of home. Yes, they all come to meet me. Arms reaching, is smiling sweetly. He's here to touch the green grass of home. The old house is still standing, to the place crack and dry, and there's an old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green grass of home. Turn away and look around me at the poor gray walls that surrounds me, and I realize, yes, I was only dreaming. Oh, there's a guard, and there's all the paragraph. On and on we'll walk on daybreak, and again I touch
As long
the
all things are bright and
green
beautiful.
grass of home. Yes, they all come to see me in the shade of that old oak tree, as I lay beneath the green grass of home. Hobo! Nakita mo all this but good song. Ang paborito, ayos. Na, yung ano yan? Ayos ko naman. Amok nga, kaya dada, ang oldies but goodies, no? Paborito ko na ito.
Another oldies but goodies song. Together again.
Nagimas ha?
My tears have stopped falling. The lonely nights are now at
everywhere. I think of no one but you. You are my true love, my dearest one, dearest one. Each time I hold you tight, I can feel the dawn in my heart. Now I can say that you are just meant for me. You are my true love, my dearest one. Life has meaning if there's someone to love, and you give me reason to live. You're so wonderful, I can't let you cry, because dearest one, I love you so. What's here on keyboard? Life has meaning if there's someone to love, and you give me reason to live. You're so wonderful, I can't let you cry, because dearest one, I love you so. Dearest one, each time I hold you tight, I can feel the joy in my heart. Now I can say that you are just meant for me. You are my true love, my dearest one. You are my true love, my dearest one.
Forever, my darling, our love will be true. Always and forever, I love only you. Just promise me, darling, your love in return. May this fire in my soul, dear, forever burn. My heart has your commanded to keep loving to all. Making you happy is my desire. Keeping you is my goal. Forever I love you for the rest of my days. I'll never part from you or your loving ways. Just promise me, darling, your love in return. May this fire in my soul, dear, forever burn. Only you can make all the world sing right. Only you can make the darkness bright. Only you, and you
made up my mind to live in memory of such an old lonesome time. I guess of wanting you. It's useless to say, so I'll just live my life in dreams of yesterday. Those happy hours,
Those happy hours
that we once knew, so long ago, they still make me blue. They say that time is a broken heart, but time has stood still since we've been apart. I can't stop loving you, baby, my honey, my darling. To live in memory of such an old lonesome time. I guess I wanted you. It's useless to say, so I'll just live my life in dreams of yesterday.
Each time I see by my window, imagining that I was with you, I'll stare at the stars and its lights remind me of you. But will you be true? 'Cause Marty, I love you. I think of you every day and night, and now I realize how I feel for you. But now you are with someone new. Though I can, but I have to forget
Loneliness surrounds me. You'll find me waiting here, just in case you change your mind. Give me a chance. Listen to my lonely heart beating fast for you. Since you've been gone, yesterday I know I've been crying over you. I can't stand it no more to be left here all alone. Give me a chance. Listen to my lonely heart beating fast for you. Since you've been gone, beating fast for you. Since you've been gone.
Here's another requested song from Live.
Oh, dati dyan ko si Tata yan.
Nagtaklor ng kalag.
Far across the blue waters lives a Herman's daughter by the banks of the old river Rhine, where I love her and left her, but I can't forget her, 'cause I miss my pretty Caroline.
Caroline, look up over the heaven. It's night when the stars start to shine. But the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Caroline. Caroline, Caroline, oh what the heaven, stars to shine. By the same stars above you, that I love you. You are my pretty Caroline. Caroline, Caroline, by the river.
Sige lang. And the same stars above you.
I swear that I love you. Are my pretty
When I awake this morning, imagine my surprise. On my pillow lay a single yellow rose. I smile, but when I read the card, the teardrops filled my eyes. It was the only way that you could say goodbye. You couldn't tell me to my face that you might find another, and it never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today as I'm sleeping, you left me here alone, and you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Did you know that the yellow roses mean you love someone forever? And did you know they say forever I'll be true? Why did you have to go astray, leave and throw our love away? Why did you leave a single yellow rose? You couldn't tell me to my face that you want find another, and it never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today as I'm sleeping, you left me here alone, and you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Nakatanggap ako ng sulat mula sa amin. Nakalarawan doon ang marami kong alaala, at bigla akong lumuha dahil ako'y sabik na sa lalawigan kong minumutya. Naghintay pa rin ang irog ko doon sa amin. Mga magulang na may nakaalala sa akin. Humasilayan ko man lamang bundok, parang at batis. Gumagaan ang hirap ko at masakit. Awitin ko, awitin ko'y makauwi na sa duyan ng aking kamusmusan. Sa piling ko, oh Sierra Madre, kantungan mo'y laging hinahanap. Ano kaya ang gagawin ko ngayong wala na? Natitirang pag-asa sa aking mga pangarap. Kaya't kung mayroon mang nakikinig sa aking damdamin, ay dalhin mo na ang awit ko sa amin. Awitin ko, awitin ko'y makauwi na sa duyan ng aking kamusmusan. Sa piling ko, oh Sierra musmusan sa piling mo. Oh, Sierra Madre, kandungan mo'y laging hinahanap. Kandungan mo'y laging hinahanap.
Okay, na po sa song Paper Roses. Request ni Tatay.
I realize the way your eyes deceive me with tender looks that I mistook for love. So take away the flowers that you gave me and send the kind that you remind me of. Paper roses, paper roses. Oh, how real those roses seem to me. But you're only imitation, like your imitation love for me. I thought that you would be a perfect lover. You seem so full of sweetness at the start, but like a big red roses that made of paper, there isn't any sweetness in your heart. Paper roses, paper roses. Oh, how real those roses seem to be. But you're only imitation, like your imitation love for me, like your imitation love for me.
Why does the sun go on shining? Why does the sea rush to shore? Don't they know it's the end of the world? 'Cause you don't love me anymore. Why do the birds go on singing? Why do the stars glow above? Don't they know it's the end of the world? It ended when I lost your love. I wake up in the morning and I wonder why everything's the same as it was. I can't understand
go, wherever you may wander in your life, that's how I know I always wanna be there. Whenever you feel we never did to lean on, here I am. Whenever you call, you know I'll be there. Let me be there in your morning, let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever's wrong and make it right. Let me take you to that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there, watching you grow and going through the changes in your life. That's how I know,
That's how we know.
I always wanna be there. Whenever you feel you need a friend to lean on, here I am. Whenever you call, you know I'll be there. Let me be there in your morning, let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever's wrong and make it right. Let me take you to that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there. Let me be there in your morning, let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever is wrong and make it right. Let me take you to that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there. All I ask you is let me be there.
Okay, nagkatapos din. All these bad goodies song.
Yan, so agsubli kami mananapo ti Ilocano, dagitay matapo kadaanan nga Ilocano ting kami paay kada kayo. Yan, so ag-request kayo lang apo, baring amumi po. Nakakaasi abiyag, awan makatulad, kas may sa atong matayan. Adi makapayak pa, puso na't nasugat, ay asip di awawagan. Awanen diragsak, hinadagsang gasan, nas nebanen tipegan. Agapo kenayat na ulpit na ranggas, tiin pa ay mo kaniya. Tenga ti bye-bye, buhay mo kanya.
Agnanayon nga ay ayatan ka, ipagpateken puno adungdungwen ka. Uray pa'y luwing matayo ka, pimanaw ka, hadi nagpakada. Magudas man daytoy biyag ko, agmay-may sa katoy puso. Lipaten ganti ko nakngem saan, tanairwa makayata ng isang sanayan. Ayak kinalikag man, naipaay mo puno pakaragsakan. Uray awang kamalaglagit ka, lagit ilataw ang anak makit-kita. Dagiti narmay nga inangaw da, tumrem lunwa tunggal mapanunod ka. Agnanayon nga ay ayaten ka, ipagpateken puno adungdungwen ka. Uray pa'y luwing matayo ka, himanaw ka, hadi nagpakada. Magudas man daytoy biyag ko, agmay-may sa katoy puso. Agnanayon nga ay ayatan ka, ipagpateken puno adungdungwen ka. Uray pa'y himatayong ka, himanaw ka, hadi nagpakada. Magudas man daytoy bayag ko, agmay-may sa katoy puso. Magudas man daytoy bayag ko, agmay-may sa katoy puso.
saanin at mas idi ang bukod ko di adgang ko ang mong sikabi ako di pinagriro hindi pa mo di ayan na kabukin ko na anang dedraksan andiyan matutupan bakit daw mo nung ipere mo kaniyag dagita mata mariknag nga ada ibang baga pinadas ko asikatay liklikan ngem agariti kinarukup ni ada liklikan na hunggal ahuayasta tapno mapengdak kay tuirik na katuy puso et antan agtagigwa jak kayat nga daag ladingit kapungit ka jak samet pagawidan napilig na kita ikikitam marit nakasarbi sa may bisibis dito'y na'y maunggan utupik na ruto'y riktam nurumbeng ditu'y nusaan asupa pakakday taayat nga ipar parik na bigbigan amin ang kinaimbag mo kanya pinangayag mo di kawaw agyan pinaragsak mo tuy man bang dari arik na jak tupulos ket ka makasupapa liklikan na hunggal aguayasta tapno mapengdak kay tuirik na katuy puso ket antan agtagikwa jak kayat nga da agladingit kapuken ka jak samet pagawitan napilig na kita ikikitam marik nakasarbis ang may bisibis dito'y na'y kaunggan utupin na rutirinat nurumpin ditu'y nusaan asupa pakakday taayat nga iparparin na table, cause the ari ko song An-Anusak. Sakbay kami apong break time. Thank you so much po.
Iti na minsan na aldaw apanang kuy kuyog ta napnuanin kinaragsakta kas naawan patinggana pulo sa diyak ni namnama ti pagsinaan ta luluwag di ang patingga litay inak marigna no tirabi na kay maysa si kalaeng an kanunute an anusa kinarigata dito'y den na ururayan ka kan nariga taglalo no kainiw ka narigat numaminsan numangnam na maka hinapudno nga ayat ubaw begayam lupan panunute ragsak ti ang patingga karin-kari di ka inilala di na puno di taayat no tirabi na may maysa si kalaeng an panunute an anusa ikarigata dito'y den na ururayan ka tan nariga hiyak may maysan aglalo no kainiw ka nagsaem an anusak si kati kapuna hulos adyak ni namnama ipagsinaan na lutirabi na
Yan, so tumawag kami ng apot sa magmamanong minutos ngayong kampa nag-break time. Thank you so much po. Break. Iwan angkal. Sige angkal. Nag-break time kami lang apo. Hello po, Sir Kenny June Rabino, Ate Risa Tugas, Tita FJ Bagasol, Ma'am Norma Pascual Malpeso. Good morning, Idol. One ma'am, tapos live stream kami pa damdama ma'am. Tapos kamalaman na damam to karod. Bale, ano sana po? Kasanga talaga itibiyag. Agan anos katapno dati sumangbay nga nasiyaat. Ma'am Fe Monton, happy watching po. Sir Lester Ged, Ma'am Merlita Begornio, Sir Larry Agustin Foronda, Ma'am Ginaline Arista, Sir Antonio Tobawon, Ma'am Warlina Estilong, Sir Jaime Bostarde, Ma'am Mirna Ramos, Ninong Ador Gabat. Yan, so oras kami malpas apo. Quarter to 5 kami nga malpas apo. Tapos maturog kami basit. Apanak makimeeting talas 8. Hello po Sir Kenny John Rabino from Italy. Uncle Benjamin Domingo, Auntie Los Biminda Guerrero, Ma'am April Aris, thank you ma'am. Ninang Mila, dapat 2 hours ninang. 2 hours pa ninang. Ano saan man na? Hello ma'am, Mirna Ramos, Tita Leticia Solano, Tita Minda Kauzo. Yan. So thank you apo kada kayo magbibuyal at nangagan anis apo. Thank you. Ma'am April Aris from Dubai, Ma'am Joff Balon Domasena, Ma'am Sarah BJ, Madam Manang Sel, Ma'am Alessandra Carlapo, Ma'am May Ocariza, Ma'am Lola Jalay Jess, Ma'am Maria Luisa Balais, Sir Jeffrey Toralba, Ma'am Lorenzo de la Cruz, Ma'am Zenny Dumlao Bolesa, Sir Alejandro Fernandez, Sir JW Naganog, Ma'am Erini Wagdi, Ma'am Nancy RD, Ma'am Marie Cabalonga, Sir Alejandro Laico, Sir Big Boy Subli, Ma'am Chris Breda, Ma'am Lynn Palataw Rueco, Ma'am Rian Angelo Ong, Sir Michael Yuzon Avena, Ma'am Amabel Popoy, Ma'am Sharina Yasi, Ma'am Rebecca Rubicera Ines, Ma'am Maribel Batoy, Ma'am Maria Crepa, Ma'am Ning Parakikay Puno, Sir Randy Cruz, Sir Mark Richard Kalinisan, Sir Jello Trinidad, Ma'am Estelita Bailen, Ma'am Romela Rubio, Ma'am Maria Concepcion Rabino, Sir Bong Otrera, Ninang, Mama Ginalyn Lambaod, Ma'am Fatima Balin, Tita Lynn Equila, Ma'am Mergin Moran Gadlinas, and Ma'am Marisa Onciano Ayonayon. Yan, thank you. Hello, Tita Rebecca Okawi Mayor, Ma'am Aida Dante from Dubai, Sir Melchor Nusa, Ma'am Letty De Leon from KSA, Ma'am Joanne Yango Pinto from Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. Thank you, Ma'am Florida Cabonsos Pinto. One Tita Rebecca, dapat 2 hours. Quarter to 5 kami malpas po. Kampay Ninong Roldan Cadiz, Ninang Merna sa Balbro, pero ay Ninang mo tama na. Sige po. Agkapi kami lang. Tita Edna. Tita Edna Malyari.
Black coffee is the best policy. Less sugar po.
Ano ka dyan yun? Kaya pagkain ka.
Kami ang kagpapagkaan ko.
Kami katagwa. Dati sa balang grupo na rin.
Okay.
Pero ka lang mo ka pa na yan.
Nag-live kami to damdama po. Thank you.